Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are still in Columbia Falls, Montana, and we are headed to whitewater rafting. Now, we're probably going to leave the DJI in the truck. I might be able to snag some actual video of the tour on my cell phone, so we'll see how this video comes out. But I just wanted to let you know like where you can find it, and then after we go, kind of a review of how it went. It's about 15 miles till we get there. It's 20 minutes from our campground. We are staying at the Columbia Falls RV Park. They've been great. They have monthly rates, so if you're interested in like summer camping and staying in the area near Glacier for a month at a time, I think it was $1,500 all included with electric, water, sewer. It's all there at the site, and that's 50 amps, so that's awesome. This is the mountains that Mike keeps looking at over and over again.
Columbian Mountain.
Columbian Mountain, is it? Oh, we're headed over that direction between the peaks.
Towards Glacier.
Towards Glacier. So this was a Viator tour that I booked, a Viator tour, and it's called Half-Day Glacier National Park Whitewater Rafting Adventure. There were really good reviews about it. It says it was $88 per person, so we paid a total of $176 for the two of us. We are meeting off Highway 2 towards Glacier, going to the Sun Highway towards Glacier. It says look for the red caboose, and they asked that we show up 30 minutes prior to the scheduled trip time. Our trip is starting at 11:15 and it's 10:20 now, so we're going to be a little bit early, but better early. If you are early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late, and late is unacceptable in my book, at least.
Nerd.
Excuse you. So we are going to so what else do I need to say about it? So yeah, there's 2 tickets attached here. We have a horseback ride coming up next week. For that one, you do need a pass to enter going to the Sun Road to get to the tour. But for this one, we are meeting at a resort that is outside of the park. So the assumption is they'll probably drive us. Yeah, they're probably going to shuttle us into the park for whitewater rafting. They do provide safety gear. We chose to wear clothing that we know will get wet, that it's going to be okay. Mike has his bathing shorts on. I have this long sleeve water top, I guess it's called.
It's probably a good idea because it's going to be sunny.
Yeah. So we got a beautiful day. Last week we did the going to the Sun Road, and we might have some footage that we can put here to show you.
See you?
Yeah. It's literally right in front of me. It's a baby.
Where's Mama?
Keep going.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got barely, but it's fine.
Let's watch out for that, right?
Yeah.
That was really cool.
There he is. Oh my goodness. But today is beautiful. It is going to be like 85 and sunny. Look. Just absolutely gorgeous driving into Glacier. So it should be a perfect day for whitewater rafting. They said they do provide all safety equipment. So in terms of, they'll give us helmets and vests and that kind of thing. And it sounds like this tour, there is a separate one if you don't like the idea of whitewater rafting, like the rough rafting. There is like just a scenic one. There is a scenic option that's just kind of floating down the river with no, what are they called, rapids?
Yeah, I guess no rapids.
Yeah, so there's
a river float with bigger floats?
Yeah, there's an option for like a river float if somebody in your party does not want to do the crazy rapids. But ours is supposedly going to be like starting on a still lake and then traveling down into a couple of rapids. So we'll see how it goes. So it is up here in the, it says Whitewater Great Northern Resorts. And there's your red caboose. It looks like somebody's sitting up there. Maybe they're waiting for everybody.
Do I bring my hat or no?
You could bring it up there for now, and then I guess they'll tell us, but I think they give us helmets. All right, so we went up to the deck where the red caboose is. We got introduced to our guide. Her name is Grace, and we had to go inside and sign waivers. And once we got inside, they explained that they will take your car keys at the desk and keep them there, but you can't have any loose articles. You can wear a hat, but you do have to wear a helmet and a PDF. They provide those, so, and you have to have a strap on the back of your shoe. So I'm wearing a pair of sneakers. I don't mind getting wet. Mike has closed-toed sandals with a strap on the back, a Velcro strap on the back. So it is $25 for one photo and $75 to get all the photos. We forgot to bring the little plastic bag for our cell phones. So we basically have to put everything in the car, lock it, give them the keys, and then that's it. So you won't have any footage of us on the adventure. I don't think I want to pay for, I'm not sure I want to pay for the photos, but yeah, just wanted to give you all the updates. If you have sunscreen, put it on beforehand. If you have water, drink it beforehand. They do have restrooms here if you, like me, have your coffee on the way and need to use the restroom before you go. And it seems like they're going to put us on a yellow bus to ship us. It seems like they're going to put us on a yellow bus to ship us up the river to where we start our float. We'll be back afterwards. All right, we are back and we are dry. We changed, had a bite to eat at the little caboose. 10 out of 10. Great Northern whitewater rafting adventures. What do you think, Mike?
That was one of the cooler things I've ever done before, and it makes me really want to explore doing that in other locations. But Glacier National Park on a beautiful sunny day. I wish we could have filmed that, but it was great experiencing it just naturally as is.
Yeah.
You have to do it.
We did end up, so it is now a little over 3 p.m. So the 11:15 was a great time slot. They did have a 10:45 as well. It's enough time to like get up, get ready in the morning slowly, be there, enjoy it. It was a beautiful day. Our guide's name was Grace. She was awesome. Turns out her mother was on our boat, and she's been doing it seasonally for a couple of years, and she got her sister to do it seasonally, so like another one of the guides was her sister, and they were awesome. You can go swimming if you want to. There's a section where they will let you swim. Great Northern's one of the last family-owned companies, so highly recommend booking with them. Again, it was $88 a person. I think it was like $175 total out the door. And I would definitely do that again and highly recommend it to everybody. Pro tip, the back of your shoes have to be able to close, so you know you can have open shoes. Just make sure you have a back strap to the sandal. Definitely buy and pay for a bag for your phone if you want to take pictures without paying extra. They do have a photographer that sits at one of the rapids and takes some photos. We did decide to buy one photo for $25 because it was definitely worth remembering. But there were a couple people that had brought like those bags from Walmart where you can store your phone, and if you don't buy it beforehand, it's $36 to buy it from the resort there, of course. So definitely recommend that. And second would be pack food in a cooler that you can leave in the car and eat afterwards, because we just finished up and we're starving and we have to go back and walk the dogs before we can go to lunch. We're definitely in the mood for something like ramen now, something warm.
Ramen and sushi.
Yeah, Mike wants sushi because he's not as cold as I am, but even on this 80-degree day, it was cold for sure. And so now I want to warm up with some nice hot ramen. So we split a sandwich from the red caboose. It was $8 for this little salami sandwich with a bag of chips. You know, obviously if you're watching this, you're preparing for the trip, I would just pack food to then have ready afterwards so you can save a little bit of money that way.
And wait.
And I was going to say, anything else that I left out?
Get the front. We got the front of the boat, so it was a little more leg space, and that was really cool.
Yeah.
Also got very much soaked.
Yes. There was one family that, I don't know if it was because they were much bigger or they opted to pick the kayaks, but 2 people were individually kayaking, like with our group. So that was kind of interesting, I guess, if you want a more rugged, adventurous, if you want to earn your keep by rowing a lot more. Yeah. The kayak's an option.
Usually they're just spinning the whole time without much control.
Yeah. But there was about, 8 of us in that boat, plus the guide.
Yeah.
So it was great. 10 out of 10, highly recommend it, and I hope you do it. And thanks for watching. Until next time, happy camping.